Welcome to this quick, full-body yin yoga session. Bringing your awareness to your breath, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling, releasing through your mouth or nose. During this class, if your mind wanders, always come back to your breath. We will begin on all fours, moving into child's pose, bringing your big toes together and separate your knees as wide as comfortable. Resting your forehead on the earth, shifting both hands to your right side, stacking your left hand over your right for a nice side stretch, holding for about 5 breaths. Moving back to center and shifting your hands over to the left side for a side stretch on the other side. This pose opens intercostal muscles between the ribs. Taking another 5 deep breaths. Gently coming back to center and moving into tabletop, moving into cat and cow poses. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, round your back. Continue moving with your breath. Inhale to cow, exhale to cat. Slowly tucking your toes under and moving into downward facing dog, pedaling your feet back and forth 5 times, feeling the stretch moving through your legs, then holding in place for about 3 deep breaths. Gently walking your hands back to your feet into a standing forward fold, letting your upper body hang heavy, relaxing your head and neck. Slowly coming down to seated on the floor and moving into caterpillar pose. Extending your legs straight out in front of you, letting your feet fall naturally, hinging forward from your hips. Slowly let your torso melt forward over your legs, resting your hands on your shins, ankles, feet, or toes. In yin yoga, it's totally okay to let your spine round naturally, moving to a point of gentle sensation, but not pain. Remembering to breathe, directing your breath where you feel the stretch. Slowly coming out of this pose, using your hands to press yourself upright. Slowly transitioning onto your back, taking a rebound, countering that deep forward fold. Gently moving into figure 4 pose, planting both feet on the earth, crossing your left ankle over your right thigh, just above the knee, so your legs form a 4 shape. Flexing your left foot and protecting your knee. Thread your hands behind your right thigh, gently drawing your knee towards your chest. Gently releasing and switching to the other side, coming back to your breath. With each breath, releasing and relaxing your hips and glute muscles. Releasing out of the stretch. Taking a few windshield wipers and coming onto our final pose, Supine Butterfly. Bringing the soles of your feet together, letting your knees gently fall to the sides. Bringing your feet closer for a deeper stretch. Opening your hip flexors and inner thighs, or you can also move your feet further away for a more restorative stretch. Resting your arms by your sides, palms up. Close your eyes, soften your jaw, and take some deep, slow breaths. Gently coming out of this pose and moving into a full body stretch, hugging your knees to your chest, slowly rolling to one side, pushing up to a seated position, inhaling, bringing your arms up, hands meeting at the top, and bringing this beautiful energy down to your heart space. Namaste. Take a deep breath and notice how your body feels. If this full body practice brought you a sense of calm or release, let me know your favorite pose in the comments below. If you'd like more gentle movement in your life, subscribe and hit the bell so we can keep practicing together. Be kind to yourself, and I'll see you on the mat soon.